GCB. Who those niggas making all of that noise? Gotham City Boys. Who those niggas making all of that noise? GCB, nigga, GCB. Who those niggas making all of that noise? Gotham City Boys. Who those niggas making all of that noise? I'm a Gotham City nigga, for realer is Batsman. And I creep through the night like a fiend with a crack plan. With the Mac 10, I eat up these rappers like Pac-Man. Now I ain't talking Pacquiao, cause Marquez them knocked them out. You can say I'm cocky or confident, yeah, I'm optimistic. But one thing y'all niggas can't say, I ain't consistent. Put the pedal to the metal when facing my opposition. And the metal to niggas if they settle for something different.
Yeah, it's all strategic, DNA over currency. Rappers ain't shit, I got niggas who wanna murder me. Life story like Black Rob and a Black Dodge. Stratus nigga, it's affirmative, the gat's large. Uzi top shot for these hot shots, I'ma carve my name in your forehead, nigga, you been discarded. It's too hot for him, blazing the booth, but ice cold, put two through your Canadian goose.
BGR, pots on the stove like I'm making a sauce. Learn from bang before the flame, wet the bacon is soft. Fuck the D's, how I be shaking them all. Move through the town, move a pound with the pound, get down. Hammer pop, nigga fell like he laid on the cross. Moment of silence. That's only cause the hammer's empty. GCB, see we beat the team to beat. We so cool, but that heat switch sees the V. BGR.
Whether knife for the gun work, bang pop put in work. 5 shots, second catch, body work. Pound box, graveyard, shovel dirt. Dig a ditch, no search. Drop the stiff head first. Cop bricks, bubble work. White or brown expert. Water boil you, oil drop. 10 for you, coke rock. Quarter water, smoke rock. Valves and gold tops. It started on the Bronx block.
Shots fired, take your mind from the perimeter. Solution to the problem, nah, you a contributor. Everybody hot till a doc check their temperature. Never wanna play hard, always wanna scrimmage us. Stay off the premises, get knocked, your turn fed. Most of y'all haters, supporters are straight sherm heads. We make noise, broadcasters in the podium. Can't even hear themselves think, it's pandemonium.
First and foremost, let me blaze the toast. Coast to coast, swarm and invade your post. Love, loyalty, respect, check who made the quote. Truly yours, your highest couldn't match my low. Keep track on the moves I bust, booze I crush, tools I touch. You slow niggas never move that much. Running laps like my whole squad running backs. Relax, GCB on the fucking track.
Who those niggas making all of that noise? Gotham City Boys. Who those niggas making all of that noise? GCB, nigga, GCB. Who those niggas making all of